Unboxing the QNAP TS-464, a powerful storage solution for home and business. We start with a clean, well-designed package before opening it up to reveal the NAS unit, power adapter, Ethernet cable, screws, and quick start guide. The first look highlights its sleek 4-bay design with a compact premium build, followed by a closer view of its dual LAN ports, USB connectivity, and easy drive access, making it ideal for high-speed data storage, backup, and multimedia use. The QNAP TS-464 runs on the QTS operating system by default, delivering a smooth and user-friendly NAS experience. Powered by an Intel Celeron N5095 quad-core processor with burst speeds up to 2.9 GHz, let's open the QNAP TS-464, featuring a 4-bay design where hard drives can be easily installed using the toolless trays. Hard disks are installed on these trays and they can be easily fixed securely into place, making the setup process quick, convenient, and user-friendly. Now taking a closer look at the details. Inside the unit, you'll find accessible RAM slots for memory upgrades, along with support for adding M.2 SSDs, giving you the flexibility to boost performance with SSD caching and expand your storage capabilities efficiently. Moving to the backside of the QNAP TS-464, you can see dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports for high-speed networking, an HDMI output for direct display, one USB 3.2 Gen 2, 10 gigabits per second, port for fast data transfer, and two USB 2.0 ports for peripherals. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more technical videos.